This this video was requested by BTR Plumbing, and shout out to him, and shout out to KDMC Plumbing, AFT Plumbing, and Eric Morton. He is subscribed to my channel. Before we write it, I'm gonna show you the tank and the toilet, and this is the toilet. It's trapway. You can see the trapway right there that goes into the trapway, and then it goes in that hole. It's not sealed because it leaks too much. And the tank is right here. This is the tank. I haven't tested the 20 because it needs to be fixed more. Okay, so right here is an elevator. It's a door traditional from the 1980s. And let's take a look at it from the top. There's the date of manufacture. And there's the stick, the car top, the escape hatch, the elevator shaft, and the door mechanism. And I have this piece of tape because you can see the other stick or whatever is not attached to the second door elevator door. Right here it goes. This is the inside. This is your fixtures. I'm gonna stick a few of these in here to hold my phone so it won't slip forward. Three of these should be just fine. Okay, so here it goes, and let's close the door. This is the second floor. Let's go back down to the first floor. Right, let's close the door, and that's gonna be it for this video. The links for the channels are gonna be in the description.